My name is Alberto and I'm currently living in Granada, in Spain. Well, my research focuses on the design of circuits that make use of new materials, like 2D materials, for example, graphene. And I do my research at the Universidad de Granada. Since I was a kid, I was clear about my future because I knew that my favorite subjects were always maths and physics. So basically, in the last few years, I was always wondering about how things worked. So basically, that made the decision for me. And what inspired me, I would say, in the research field, I've been always inspired by the greatest minds of the 20th century, like for example Albert Einstein or Marie Curie or Nikola Tesla, which were like the biggest scientists, were always trying to push off the limits, and they really made it. I personally don't think there's such a stereotype in my field. But if I had to choose one, I would say that some people think about new materials or graphene like magical materials. They are actually fascinating and promising materials, but they are far from being magical. I would say there's not a lot of people that know about electronics quite deep. They know that it's what goes inside the computers and laptops, smartphones, but there's not such general knowledge about it. Like for example, there's in medicine or other areas where there's more knowledge about it. I would have to say music, no doubt. I've been always studying music since I was a kid. I play the clarinet, the piano, violin, and I also compose music. So yes. And I also like doing sports. I do tennis and I do basketball, but I wouldn't say I'm good at any of those, so they don't count. In the future, I would like to see a world where we use a lot of renewable energy sources, and also a world which is full of technology, but used in a responsible way in order to detect new pandemics, to fabricate new vaccines, and also to prevent illnesses. Yes, I would love to see a world like that.